Tech 1, Tech 2, Tech 3 operator. I operated the plant for over 10 years and then came into maintenance. And it's everywhere I've been, it's just like a family.
This is the Port Westward generating plant. It's comprised of two plants, Port Westward 1, which is a combined cycle gas turbine, steam turbine, Mitsubishi plant, the total generation of over 390 megawatts. And then Port Westward 2 is a dozen reciprocating Wärtsilä engines, and they generate over 220 megawatts. So a combined capacity at this site of over 600 megawatts total.
They're 18-cylinder V configuration, twin turbo. They run on natural gas, they call them SG, spark gas. They're just basically a giant engine like in your car.
We put a lot of hours on these engines, more than we expected, so our maintenance intervals are pretty quick, so we stay busy constantly doing either just tune-ups or major overhauls.
So these are the engines at Port Westward 2. This is the West engine hall, engines 7 through 12. This engine's in the middle of a 40,000 hour overhaul right now, and so all these heads have been pulled, and the engine will be fully disassembled all the way down to the bare block, including the bearings, and everything gets taken out, inspected, some items get sent off for refurbishment, and then it all gets reassembled.
Everybody does everything. One day you'll be putting bearings together on a rod for a 50 SG. The next day we'll be driving forklift all day. You're cleaning catalyst on the engine. Every one of these that we've done, we learn something from it and we do it different the next time. We always get better.
So we just celebrated 19 years with no lost time injuries at the Port Westward plant, which goes all the way back to the inception of the plant.
A handful of older guys that are still here, they've been 20 years. There's only like 2 of us left, but even the younger guys have been at companies that have never had a record like that.
It just shows that people here are doing the right thing, they're looking out for each other and making sure that everybody goes home safely at the end of the workday.
You gotta really work safe and watch out for everybody, and we all hope that once we retire we'll have 30 years of good time after. That's what we're here for.